Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEXO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis before, but it's been a few weeks, but want to get things updated here as from the technical point of view now, the price is actually sitting at some very important areas. So the first key level, and this is, nothing, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is taking note of these areas. And I bring that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching certain areas and wondering the same thing, call it self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics. So that's exactly what we have going on right now, is that there's some very evident areas that a lot of people, it would make sense for them to be watching. So that's what can produce, from a trading perspective, interesting price movements. So the first key level is right here at the $5 and we'll call it 85-cent mark. And this has just been a former area of support, which you can see the last time the price was down around it, mid-April. Very nice bounce happened. And once again, right now as we speak, after Thursday's been in the books now, the price is sitting right there at that area of support. Now that is also bringing up the next big question of, okay, well, if the price cannot hold above the 585 mark, then not that far away is this pink line here, which on my chart represents the very, very famous 200-day simple moving average. Even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day, and you know that when the price is up above that level, it does tend to act as support. So the point being that, the price is now sitting within a pretty historical area of support where there's been, plenty of buyers before. Now that, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because it's sitting around all these areas of support does not mean that for sure the price is getting ready to, skyrocket back upwards. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce to the upside? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. But myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that for sure that is exactly what's going to happen. But it's at least worth keeping an eye on going forward because those are some very key levels. Now, if the price breaks down through 585 and then continues on down through the pink line there, the 200 period, at that point in time, things are really starting to take a turn for the worse, and the next level of support would be down there around the 515 mark. But as of right now, don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves given the price is holding up above those areas of support. In the event this is some sort of bottom and the price starts to work its way back upwards, keep an eye on that purple line up there, which is the 50-day simple moving average, currently valued at 685 as, like I said, that nearer term level of resistance. So all in all, it's been a rough past several weeks, but now the price is definitely sitting around a very key level. So let's see how this one plays out over the next week or so. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.